What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm doing a product review of the Matein tech backpack. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it.
Okay, so guys, I was looking for a new backpack for school, and I was searching through Amazon looking for reviews and stuff of good laptop backpacks that were slim and could also hold a bunch of books and a laptop, and I stumbled upon this one from Matein. Got really good reviews, and it was also on sale for $30. It normally goes for I think $35 or $36. This color, which I like, it's kind of like has like a little texture to it, gray with black accents, and yeah, this one was on sale, so I picked it up. And we'll just do a quick review of it. I got a time lapse of me opening this. I'll put it after this somewhere, but yeah. As I said, this retails for around $30 on sale, and I'll just show you the main compartments. Right here you got a front zipper, which goes really deep down here, and you get a lot of space to put stuff in there, phone, wallet, keys, anything like that. And you got a front compartment here as well. This holds your keys right here, and this can also detach. I'm not really sure how to detach it yet, but you can detach this. Oh, there we go. You have to hold down that button. Yep, and that clips. Little zipper here. You can put stuff there. Got a couple pen holders, I think. Yeah, a couple pen holders right here, which is pretty neat. And got a pocket here, and then you can put a load of stuff down here as well. So you can do that. Hold on one second. Okay. So that's the front compartment. Hold a lot of stuff. And then what most people don't see is there's actually a side compartment right here, which you can put even more stuff in here. So this thing has a ton of storage, guys. And also, I don't know if you know this, but focus. That bottom line there, product grade, it got top grade quality, so that's cool. So now, oh, and one other thing, has a really good strap right here, very thick and supportive to hold. So going into the main compartment, oh, and also it does have a USB plug right here. If you want to charge your phone, you just gotta plug a power bank on the inside. It has a cable inside. Just plug your power bank in and you can charge your phone from the outside. So it's just cool. A lot of tech backpacks like these days. Also, this is my old backpack right here. It's from Mancro. If you guys want me to do a review on that, let me know. So main compartment, absolute ton of space for books and stuff. And here's the cable I was talking about. I don't know if it's kind of dark, but turn the flash on. There we go. So plug my power bank in here, which is right here. I don't know how big that is, but so yeah, I got my power bank plugged in if I ever need to charge my phone. So it has 2 slots here, and then tons of storage for books and stuff. And also it has 2 bottle holders on each side. You guys didn't know that. And it also has a compartment here. I don't know. This thing has basically way too many compartments. Here we go. Keep stuff in. Okay, so moving on. This is the laptop compartment in here. Just so you guys notice, a lot of people ask this question is, what size laptop can you fit in here? This fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop. I feel like you could get away with a 17-inch, but main issue is with thickness when it comes to most backpacks. But this one, I have to say, I use my Dell 7559 Inspiron series. This one right here, and as you can see, that's like 1 inch thick. And I can tell you right now, this can hold my laptop very easily. So that's plus this thing, and it's very sturdy. My old backpack over here did not hold my laptop very well, but this can hold a 15.6-inch laptop up to an inch thick, maybe even more. So keep that in mind. You also have another pouch here. I don't know what you're going to use that for. And then you have just extra space here for anything you want. So that's all dandy. That's the laptop compartment. And has a hook right here if you want to hang it on a hook. And then for the back, adjustable straps, any size you want. That's cool. Straps are very supportive, very thick material, good quality. And actually, what most people don't know is with this thing, you can hook onto your luggage handle when you pull it up from your luggage, the one that rolls, and you can slide this on so you can keep your backpack secure and you don't have to wear it. So all your stuff is in one place. And it's cool, this also has another compartment here, right here. So you put more stuff in here. I don't know what you're gonna do with that, but you can do that. So guys, overall this thing has a ton of storage, can hold a thick laptop, and yeah, and this is great for school if you want to like fit all your books and binders in here and stuff, and it's a great price. It's on sale on Amazon right now, but I'll put the eBay link down, my affiliate link down in the description if you guys want to go pick this backpack up. I highly recommend it, but yeah. And let me know if you want to do a review of my Mancro backpack, my old one. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe down below, turn on notifications, and leave a comment what you thought. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, causing my hysteria.